In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create categories on Squarespace. So, let's get started. First and foremost, you will need to navigate to the Squarespace website. To do this, simply open your preferred internet browser, type in the Squarespace address in the search bar, and hit enter. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, we will move on to our next step. While you're on the Squarespace homepage, look for an option labeled Products and Services. This should be located somewhere on the page. It could be on a sidebar or a drop-down menu at the top. Once you find it, click on it. This will usher you into the Products and Services page, where you can adjust various settings, such as creating a new category for your product or service. Search for a button labeled Create. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. As a result, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, you need to select Physical Product. Proceed by clicking on this option, which leads you in the direction of creating a new physical product listing. After choosing to create a physical product, you'll next be prompted to Continue. Just go ahead and click on the Continue button. This takes us one step forward in the process of creating a category for our product. Without any delay, it's time to type in the details of your product, including its name, description, and all other pertinent information, as per the fields provided. After filling this out, click on Next to proceed to the Categories section. Upon arriving at the Categories section, you'll find an option labeled Categories. You can easily locate this by scrolling down a little. Next to the Categories label, you'll see a small plus icon, which is there for you to explore the category options for your product. Now, click on the plus icon, and this action will enable you to create a fresh category for your product. A field will appear, which encourages you to type the name of your new category. Please go ahead and enter your desired category name. Then, once you're happy with the title, click on Done. Finally, after having completed these steps, you have successfully created a category for your product on Squarespace. The only thing left to do now is to click Save. By doing this, you commit all the changes you've made and ensure your new category is added to your product. That concludes our tutorial for creating categories on Squarespace. With a little practice, you'll find that this task is quite straightforward. Enjoy exploring the many ways categories can help to organize your products and services on Squarespace.